Welcome to Stained Glass Making 101, your online resource for the best information on how to make stained glass. If you've never made stained glass windows before, you've come to the right place. This course has been set up to teach you from the ground up everything that you need to know about how to make beautiful stained glass windows, light catchers and panels for your friends and family. This online course can be taken at your own pace in the comfort of your own home, and you can work your way through the course at a time that suits you, revisiting different lessons at any point during the program. It's structured as a sequence of modules with tutorials inside each module. You can simply click on a tutorial to get that lesson. Today we're going to look at using zinc as a perimeter round our leaded glass windows. The course has been carefully designed to take you through every stage you need to learn in order to make beautiful stained glass windows. You'll be given a list of essential tools and equipment to buy. You'll be shown how to use them. You'll be given designs to choose from simple to more complex. By the end of the course, you'll have a fantastic foundation to develop your creative skills, whether making windows for family and friends or starting your own business. So let's get started. We go through every aspect of how to design beautiful light catchers and leaded glass windows. Starting with simple designs such as these, we'll develop our glass cutting skills and our leading skills, and as our confidence grows, we'll tackle more complicated and difficult designs such as these. This little beauty, a tree of life design. If you're unsure what to design, don't worry, I've got you covered. I've custom made a series of specific designs just for this course. They come in PDFs and you can download them and print them off like this and use them as many times as you like. There's a whole range of different designs from simple up to much more complicated. And when you really develop your skills, you can start making windows like these, which are really quite beautiful and complicated stained glass windows. At the end of each lesson, there's the option to ask questions, and I will answer your questions. These answers will be available to everyone on the course, so we all develop our understanding together. In addition, we have a private Facebook group where you can join others who are also learning to make stained glass. This is a great way of sharing ideas and sharing your development, and it's lovely to find other people who are perhaps at the same stage as you, just learning the process. It's a great additional tool. If you're on social media, it's something you can access. This course has taken months to put together just for you, with lots of specialist advice and pro tips to help you on your creative journey. I really hope you enjoy the course and look forward to seeing you on it. Bye for now.